What is up, my buttery biscuits? So in today's video, I am looking busted as usual, but you know what? I wasn't feeling good these past couple days and the weather is just really cold. So I just want to be cozy in a jacket and not have any makeup on because I just feel like relaxing. I know I've said this so many times, but I just really wish that I had like a cute living room setup because I would just love to be able to sit on the couch and film these videos. I feel like that would just be so cozy. But I don't, so I'm filming it with this construction paper as usual. So anyways, you guys, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Make sure you guys hit the like button for me, please. I would really appreciate that. That helps me out. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing Manny Mua and Jeffree store. So it's going to be quite an interesting video, and I know everyone out there is just like, oh my god, you're talking about Jeffree, thumbs down. But guess what, okay? We're rolling with the non-biased train up in this house, and that's how we're doing it, all right? So let's go ahead and jump into the drama. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with Manny Mua. So let me just tell you guys right now, this look that he created that you guys are looking at right here on the screen, he did this look that was an inspiration or based upon a certain makeup artist look. Her name is, oh, I'm so sorry if I say her name wrong. Evelyn, maybe? I don't know. I've never seen Evelyn spelled like that, but maybe Evelyn makeup. And she went ahead and took a picture of his look and said, I really can't stop being annoyed over how someone this big of an influencer can just take credit for something I came up with. Come up with your own looks or just give credit where credit is due. Jesus. And then she goes on a little rant to which she says, I've been too busy to have time to even address this, but I'm getting new messages every day about someone new giving him credit, and I'm so done by now. To clarify, I am the original creator. I made this look a year ago. He then recreated it a year ago and gave me credit last year. Now he posted it again without mentioning me, and people now assume it's his look. How are you gonna know that it's my look from a year ago? Question mark. If you have that big of a platform as he has, he should give a small creator like me credit now too, because now a lot of people are doing this look and I'm not mentioned anywhere. Okay, so this is the thing is that first of all, last year it was cool of him to go ahead and give her credit to this because as you guys know, I was in a little pickle like this, and it just really frustrates you as an artist when you guys, if you are a smaller influencer and someone as big as Manny creates a look of yours, that can help you out tremendously. And I'm talking about like thousands of new subscribers, and that really does mean a lot. You know, obviously when you're trying to grow on social media, it really is about the engagement, and someone as big as Manny could have provided her a lot more followers. And you may be saying, well, you know what, last year he credited her, but guess what, this year that matters too. If he was inspired, this is just a repost, if he was inspired by her, he should have still tagged her in this post. In my personal opinion, you guys know that I do have like this little built up irritation towards this, and I know a lot of you guys are saying, well, he credited her last year, but look, you guys, this year is a whole new year. Every single year social media is growing and growing, and his numbers as well too. So he's getting millions of more subscribers, followers, and all that stuff, and a little simple mention could have helped this girl out so much in her social media career. And I really think that this is important. Not a lot of people speak up about this, but you guys, it is one of the most annoying feelings to have your look taken from you or your theme taken from you and not given any credit for it. It is literally, it just makes you just want to give up. You know, it just says like, you know what, people are just gonna steal my stuff and take credit for it, and it sucks. It really does suck. And it's like, people create a song and that's art, and they could go ahead and put a copyright on this, but your face, like, you can't put a copyright on a makeup look as far as I know, or if so, it probably costs too much for the average person to do that. So it really does suck. I think that he should have gave her credit in this post as well too, and there's no way possible that it slipped his mind, because obviously if it's on there from last year, he probably took a screenshot of it and just reposted it. And I don't know, I totally side with her on this one, you guys, because I just think it really sucks. She created this look and he could have helped her out, and helping out smaller creators, you guys, it is so hard. I'm sure you guys know this. It is so hard to grow on social media, especially every year it's getting harder and harder because there is millions of more people getting on social media. So therefore it makes your chances of growing on social media even harder. So I really do think that he should have helped her out in this situation and tagged her. All right, you guys, and now time for the Jeffree drama. All right, so first of all, just going into this, Honestly, I was thinking about this before filming this video and I was just kind of like, ooh, I'm 50-50 about it. So I really want to know your guys' opinions on this because I literally see both sides. You guys know me. I'm very in the middle about a lot of things, especially this topic right here, because I see Jeffree's point of view, but then I also see the customer's point of view. And then I also have my own separate little view. There's a lot of views going on there. Oh my gosh. Anyways, you guys, just to give you guys a little rundown, this is involving the mystery boxes. Now, to my knowledge, his mystery boxes do come out, I believe, every holiday. I don't know, because he did one for Halloween, he did one now for Christmas, and I believe he had done one before this too, maybe for summer. I'm pretty sure he does one like a 4th of July, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure he does them often throughout the year. Just in case you guys don't know, a mystery box is basically just a box of random items, and let's keep it real, y'all gonna say I'm hating, but the facts are facts. Normally when people do stuff like this, it's for items that are not really selling very well because they're able to offer them at a discounted rate and it makes it fun for the consumer to buy them. I know me personally, when I was a kid, oh my god, you guys, I was obsessed. Like when I was like 8, 9, 10, obsessed with Pokemon. And the place that I used to buy my Pokemon cards, they always had a Pokemon mystery box. And every single time that I would go buy Pokemon cards, they had these boxes that would come with like a yo-yo, because yo-yos were big back then, the LED ones that lit up. As well as Pokemon cards, as well as a Pokemon toy, and it was just so fun because you never knew what you were gonna get. And every single time I went to the store, I would buy another one just to like build my collection of those things. So that's what he does for his cosmetics. So there is a little bit of people, oh my god, first of all, people go too hard. Like this poor guy is literally just asking a question. Let me hold off on my thoughts. I'll go ahead and read the original tweet to you guys and then we'll move into my thoughts, okay? So this to me is crazy. So eBay is selling the Peppermint Frost highlighting palette, which is in his mystery box, for upwards of $180 for three highlights. To me, that is just so crazy. So anyways, you guys, he takes a screenshot of the eBay reselling, which if any of you guys, and literally I'm looking at one right now and it says 6 bids for the $115 one, but $180, if somebody pays for that, $180, y'all, oh my gosh, you guys are diehard fans. So he goes and he posts a picture of that and he says, I'm seeing so many people reselling the mystery box exclusive hashtag Peppermint Frost palette. Should I make more and sell them by itself? Question mark. You all know now that makeup takes a few months to make, so I wouldn't have it until the end of March, but I'll do it if you guys want me to. So to me, that is, first of all, I like when brands do this because they're taking the customer's opinions and thoughts into consideration. They're putting it out there, and he does label this palette specifically as a exclusive item. So to me, I'm just kind of like, okay, first of all, he's just putting it out there so that way people can have, you know, some thoughts given to him, because he's like, you know what, if so many people want it, then maybe I should resell it. And I know what people immediately think, he just wants more money, but I'm gonna jump into my opinions in a bit. So of course he gets backlash on it because the people who bought it specifically for the exclusiveness of it are getting mad. So that's why he quote tweets somebody, and then this original tweet says, I mean, it was marketed as an exclusive and a reason to buy the box. If you sell more, it's no longer an exclusive. And then he quote tweets that and says, that's why I'm asking everyone's opinion. Not everyone will ever agree, but I love to hear what you guys have to say. This is a unique situation, and with the website having bad checkout issues, I'm starting a conversation. Like I said, I personally do like that because I feel the brand is taking my opinions and thoughts into consideration, and I really like that. So you guys, of course, people started going crazy on him too. People, you guys, literally on the internet are just like really rough. So the final thing he goes and says right here, this is on Twitter, okay? What we are not going to do today is argue over makeup. I'm a man of my word and was simply asking a question to everyone. I love and pride myself on how amazing the mystery boxes are. Guess since everyone couldn't get them for Xmas, I'll have to do it again for Valentine's Day. BRB, be right back. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and play this little clip for you guys from Snapchat because he did go on a little Snapchat rant. It's just like 1 minute long. So that way you guys can see his point of view on it, and then I'll tell you guys my point of view on it.
Y'all saw me sign right out of Twitter yesterday. People are being so crazy. Normally, it ain't that vicious, but I asked one simple question. Should we make the Peppermint Frost mystery box exclusive available one more time for all the people that couldn't get it because of all the checkouts and then now all the scalpers and the eBay resellers? There's legitimate people like, if you make that again, bitch. And I'm like, okay. So it was Sunday. I logged off and went right back to enjoying my life because that is way too insane. Girl, It was a simple question, but y'all were really crazy. And I don't mean everyone. Most of you were like kind of shook and disgusted, which, hi, people are, it's makeup, right? People get so irate and insane about it. I'm not gonna make it again. I get it. It was advertised as an exclusive, but first of all, it is my brand. Hi, I can change the rules whenever. Just real quick, when you own a company and you are the owner, and you can change the rules. I can make every single item in the mystery boxes available on my site whenever I want. I'm not going to, because I don't do that. And I asked a simple question, and people were so vicious. I was like, ooh. But you guys, makeup is about having fun, about creating, and I get it. You guys love the exclusives in the boxes. So of course we will be making bigger quantities when we do mystery boxes again. So hi Valentine's Day. See you soon.
So as you guys saw from right there, clearly this is like a situation to where people just like went crazy on him. And here's the thing, is this is where I tell you guys I am literally 50-50. His point of view, you guys, obviously, I understand to a lot of people it probably seems like he's tracking on his word by saying, you know what, this is exclusive, and so people obviously buy it because it is exclusive. However, I feel like a lot of people don't think about this, and this to me is just like so dumb, but maybe because I'm a clumsy person that I think about this, you know? Let's say, for example, like, and it has happened before, especially with Mac products. Oh my god, you guys, when I was working at Mac, there was so many products I was in love with, and they were limited edition, and I would get them gratis and I could never get them again, and I was so mad about it. But let's say this palette, a lot of you guys love this palette. Let's say if it was limited edition, even though it's not, he said they're gonna make it until you guys don't want it anymore, and you guys fell in love with that and you broke it, and it was limited edition, you guys can't get it anymore. This is where my mind goes to. I think of, if I did purchase that mystery box, which I did not, and I fell in love with that peppermint palette, and then I broke it, or I lost it, or someone stole it, or something happened, or maybe I used it all and I want a replacement and you can't find it anymore, it sucks. So I feel like a lot of people are literally going ham for no reason. It's just kind of like, I think, in my personal opinion, if I was Jeffree and I was doing mystery boxes like this, what I would do is say you're gonna be the first to get it, and then I'll come out with it again, because I feel like that's a really good indicator of how well a product is going to sell. Say, for example, he put the Peppermint Frost palette inside the mystery box, and then, oh my god, it was the hit of the internet and everyone was going crazy for it. Then perfect, bam, he knows how many to order, and he knows how well the demand is going to be for this product. And you guys, as a consumer, I just feel like if you want that palette, you want that palette. So people attacking him over this is really crazy to me, but then I also do get it, because when you see online and it says an exclusive item, it makes you feel like, oh wow, I'm getting this product, I'm so lucky to get it, because you were one of the, I don't know, let's say 100,000 people who were able to order it. You have that exclusiveness, you know, and it's a little piece of something that somebody else is not gonna have. But I don't know, you guys, this is what I'm telling you, I go back and forth, but me, ultimately, honestly, I ain't even trying to side with Jeffree. Y'all know, like, I don't care about anybody in this industry, honestly, like, straight up. Like, I'm on my own little island, on my own. I'm not trying to impress nobody. It's just my opinion that me as a consumer and as a makeup lover, if I love that product and something happened, I would like the opportunity to be able to get it again. I'm telling you guys, anybody who worked at MAC, y'all know this. There was so many beautiful limited edition collection items that I personally have fallen in love with. And then I'm just like, oh my god, I can't find anything like it. Like, what the hell? Why does it have to go and be limited edition? It sucks. So people literally going ham on him, I don't understand. I don't get it. People were like literally going crazy, you know, saying all this stuff, and he started blocking people for this. And you know what, you guys? This is the thing. Look, I know you guys are gonna like defend him a lot on this, and look, he is fully entitled to block whoever he wants to block. However, the people that he has been blocking haven't been saying anything too negative. They're just giving their constructive criticism. And you know what? He's probably tired of hearing all these hateful things, and then bam, takes it out on somebody who was literally just giving an opinion. That to me kind of sucks, because now these people are blocked and they're like fans and customers of him, and I really think that he should refrain from blocking people unless they are literally bashing it, as he said inside of his Snapchat, people saying, you know, for him to, you know, KYS, you guys know, I don't know if I could say that on here, I bleeped out what he said, but you know what KYS means. If people are telling him that, then by all means block them. But if they're giving you a constructive opinion and some feedback, then I really think that he needs to not be blocking people. These are his customers. They are people just giving him opinions. But I know when you're as big as him, you're just probably tired of all the negativity, because there's so much negativity on the internet. I don't know, you guys. Overall, though, now that I've given you guys my opinion, what do you guys think about the situation? Would you guys like it to remain exclusive to the box and never be made again? Or would you guys like it to be made again? Because, I don't know, you guys. Me, personally, I'm just like, no, make it again. Because if I fall in love with the product, I'm the type of person that I want to buy it again. To me, it does not need to be exclusive. It does not need... I'm not the type of person like, oh my god, I have it and you don't have it. Oh my god, I have this... I was gonna say constructive palette. This conspiracy palette and you don't have it. Ooh. Like, I'm not like that, you know? I'm like, I love that product. I want to be able to purchase it again. And that means more to me than me having the exclusiveness of a product. It's really not that deep. And I think people need to calm down. And honestly, at the end of this, I just feel like I said, I really feel like Jeffree moving forward with the mystery boxes should say, I don't know which way he would word it, but basically say that they're going to get the product first before anyone else gets to. And that's going to be a good indicator for him to see how that product is going to sell. So I don't know, that's just my little 2 cents, and let's see if he starts doing that from now on. I really think that he should. I don't think that there is any importance of having an exclusive item, or it could be an exclusive item for 2 months or 3 months or something until he makes the rest of them for the general public who want to buy that individual item. You get me? That's just my 2 cents on the situation. You guys let me know your opinion. What do you guys think about Manny not shouting out that girl again? I got a little irritated about that. Like, I'm just kind of like, come on, you credited her last year, credit her this year too, because she deserves it. You replicated that look from her, so she deserves it. Give her credit. That's the least you can do. And let me know what you guys think about the Jeffree mystery box having exclusive items and never making them again. So yes, you guys, leave your thoughts as usual. I literally sit here and I just keep it real with you guys. I really do value your guys' opinion because honestly, I'm sure you guys know this by now, I'm a very open-minded person, and I like to read your guys' comments so that way I can see, oh, okay, I can see it that way and I can see it that way. You guys know me. I talk a lot, I read a lot. Anyways, leave your thoughts and opinions down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.